Okay guys, I have something for you that you won't believe. I didn't believe it. It's so amazing. So for everybody of you who does celery juice, thumbs up for you guys. What to do once you juice the celery and you had all the goodies, then what to do with the pulp, with all the fiber and the goodies still in there, right? In the little basket there from the juicer, or if you blend it and then strain it, what to do with the pulp? Well, this idea is not from me, but it's so amazing. It's from a friend of mine staying here in his house. His name is Shahin. He's a super entrepreneur, has like different businesses going on, and he just brought me over some celery soup. Now this guy is from India. He's super creative, and apparently not just with business but also with cooking. So what did he do? He did a celery soup. He has 3 kids, and right now his mother is living with him because of a health issue, and a wife, so 5 people to feed. And he brought me over this celery soup. Now that might not look super spectacular, you know what I mean, but it's amazingly delicious. So I topped that up with some fresh kale in here. I'm not sure if you can see it with the light. There we go. So what's in here? So all the celery juice pulp, the celery pulp that you have from your celery juice. Then he put in some plantains. It's a ripe plantains, just chop them in. You can use, if you don't have plantains, you can also use potatoes, just goes the same way. And he roasted onions and garlic, then added the celery pulp, added the plantains, and he had some Asian herbs and spices added as well as some lemon juice. And that's it, guys. That's it. It's as simple as that. It's been a while since I didn't had celery. Oh my god. This is so good. I really like it. Thank you, Shahin. You're a master chef. Much better than me. So, and remember, if you don't have plantains, you can use potatoes just the same way. Tastes amazing. And he told me that this one is the Asian variation. So Asian variation, a little bit sweet, a little bit sour because of the lemon juice. Nom nom. It's perfect. Isn't that amazing? I'm so happy that there's somebody who found like a way to get the most value out of this delicious celery. Let me know what you think. Maybe you have some ideas what you do with your celery leftovers. Let me know. And there's more coming up for sure.